Let's get it on.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's I Need Bass. Thank you for tuning in to this channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I have another gift, another product, another banger coming straight to you guys. And what I have is another subwoofer from Stinger Off-Road. Let's get into it. What we are looking at is an SPK 8S2 from Audio Control. And I've tested the 10s, I've tested the 12s, and now I have an 8-inch subwoofer. And I can't wait to show you guys how this thing performs. Guys, this is a Spike series, and I know you guys are gonna love it, because the last thing I tested on this channel was an 8-inch DS18 Select, and I'm pretty sure this thing's gonna blow this out of the water. So let's get it and unbox it. As always, it comes in really great packaging. Also has you a template for your subwoofer box. If you want to go ahead and trace it out, you always have this. You also have your manual. Definitely something that it's always pre-packaged well. It's always in the paper. It's always doing great. Also, you have mounting screws. Freaking every time I've always said something, I've always loved it. This is something that everybody needs. Here, look at these things, man. I never really get to show you, but this is what this comes with. Like, you guys definitely need to start getting in on this, man. It's really high quality. Alright. No, we've been waiting for it. They even packaged the subwoofer. This is awesome. Oh man, guys, look at this. This is a beauty. Look at the size of this mag. This thing is heavy. It's ridiculous how heavy this thing is. As you push terminals. I never even seen that in here. It has an audio control emblem in there. Like, that is wild. I've never seen that. I'm probably never noticed it, but it's always been there. That's awesome. Alright guys, so before we get into the bench test, I want you guys to know that I'm also affiliate with Stinger Off-Road. So use this code, save you some money at checkout. Everybody likes saving money. Use this code and save you some money. Let's get it. Yo, this thing is like a little mini beast. It's definitely hammering, man. I freaking love it. I think it's an awesome subwoofer. It's doing way better than the DS18 that I did review. So, hands down, this thing is way better. So, let's get back into it. Come back here. You see this? Come on, man. Single voice coil. And it's moving you. This thing is powerful, man. This thing is insane. So as you guys are pretty much aware that I do a make it or break it test, and that's basically our final test. We're gonna see if this subwoofer can survive it. If it does, use this code at checkout and save you some money. All right, let's get it. Oh, wow. It survived the test, and I knew it would. So, if you guys love this sub, give this video a like so everybody can start seeing it. Help out the channel. So, I recommend it. It's a great sub. I probably now find me a box just for 8s, just because now I am intrigued. I want it. So, I might have to put this in the car as well. So, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being part of this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the thumbs up. Please share this video out with your friends, and I will catch you guys some other time. So with that being said, guys, it's I Need Bass signing out. Peace.
Let's get it on.